Hello, I'm Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video I'm going to teach you how to mount an arm and a camera on the ceiling. So if you have to do that, I'm going to show you step by step what I have done, what I bought, and I'm going to leave the link on the description of this video. So if you want to see more, I'll show you all the advantage that you will have. So if you have to make maybe tutorials and everything else, that would be a good thing. So I'm going to turn on the light a little bit so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to show you now. I have a remote control, so with the remote control you can turn on different lights. So if that is your case, I'm going to show you here. You see I have a clamp light on this side, so if you have to do many things like I do, doing computer classes and all those things, so it will help you a lot. So in this case I have a camera and I have this arm. The brand is Impact, and this have a very good grip. So in this you can grab it to the beam, as you can see here on the ceiling, and it has a very different knobs in this side. So if you want, you can stretch it all the way. You can bend it a little bit or do whatever you want. Also, I'm going to show you a little bit another thing. So I'm going to change the cameras. Now, as you can see, I'm here, and you will see I have this clamp light, as you can see over here, and you can illuminate or light any object. I'm going to change, so you can see from this camera right now I'm using a HDMI switcher. So if you want to say, hey, I want to show you anything on this tablet or this remote control, or maybe you want to show something different, you can do this. So I'm going to turn on the light. As you can see, now it will be better, at least for the remote control. And if you want to show, okay, this is the remote control that I use, this is the remote control for the lights and everything else, or maybe you want to teach, okay, if you have to unplug or connect your monitor, you can do it this way, or whatever is the reason. That is all the options that you will have. Now I'm going to show you a little bit how you can move the arm. So now I'm going to change the camera. So now that we are here, so if you want to do a close-up, maybe you can move the knob over here and then move the camera, or if you want a little bit farther away or whatever, you have different knobs, and in this one in this side, in this side, and here, and you can move it, of course, any other way. Also, if you want, here it has another screw that it will allow you to move the camera this way. So if you want to do that, it works very good. Also, I mean, this kind of arm you can install it in a table if that is your case. But if you are watching these videos because you wanted to mount it on the ceiling, so if you have something like that, it will work just fine. You just plug the HDMI cable, you connect it to any other device, and the way you go. I'm going to show you something else that I have here. I'm going to make a zoom out. So here I have the Cerevo. That is a switcher that I use, so that way I can switch between cameras the way that you can see right now. And that is, that is pretty awesome. Also, like I said before, yes, here I am. So usually I have the camera aiming a little bit lower with a nice backdrop, so that way you can see a nice white background. That is how I do everything. So I don't know if you use any other method to mount your cameras on the ceiling. Just let me know in the comment section below. And remember, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, more tips about cameras and everything else. Also, if you want to learn about computer classes, that is what I do in this channel. See you next time.